Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to determine if your Windows XP is a 64 or 32-bit version. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up Start, select the Run button, type in sysdm.cpl, again sysdm.cpl, and then select OK or hit enter on your keyboard. So at this point, it should give you just general information about your computer. If you're running a 64-bit version of Windows XP, it would say it up here where it says Microsoft Windows XP. It would say times 64 next to it. If it does not say that, that means it is a 32-bit architecture system, or at a minimum, you're running a 32-bit version of Windows XP. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.